Hello guys, so right now my dad like 1 day ago my dad gave me this.
As a Christmas present.
Yes. And like it was a Christmas present from my dad. And like I can open this right now, but from Santa's present I can't.
Well, o Santa's present nem tá aqui, né?
Yeah, still not here. So
What is that? Tell me what is that? What is the name of it?
a Sky Viper Victor stunt plane. So it says here on the back, like it says powerful enough for smooth surface takeoffs. So it can take off on ground. And then, as you can see here, it says 360 loops and left-right barrel rolls.
Wow, that's so cool. Okay, let's unboxing then.
Yes. And my dad also bought me this. So I'm so excited to unbox it with you guys.
Okay. You're viewing it together. Oh, I don't think Daddy cut it this side over here. Okay.
Oh, I just took it off.
No, but that side.
A few moments later.
Sorry guys for the interruption that we stopped the video. So now we're just gonna take this out. And ta-da!
Da-da!
Let's take out the controller.
And where can you find it?
At Target.
At Target, okay. Not sponsored, but Target, please sponsor us. Right. That's so cool. Very nice. Oopsie.
But
Okay.
This is
Look,
fine.
That's
This
the
is fine.
view of it.
yep.
Ooh.
So then I already have the propellers ready to go.
Oh, look at that.
My mom didn't believe me.
I thought the propellers you're saying it was supposed to be up, but they're down, eh? I thought you were saying that there were propellers over here, but that they are inside. Look, in the
They're
middle.
not inside.
In the middle of it, actually. Yes. I like it. What do you think about the shape and the colors? What do you think?
It looks amazing.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah, I think we need some batteries around, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What else? Let's see here. Does it supposed to have the little wheels?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So it has it right in here.
Okay.
The battery is inside of here already. Let's see.
No, I don't think so. We need to buy batteries.
No, they already have the batteries.
Mm.
It's already inside.
Okay, and here's the wheels. Okay. All right.
How do you open this thing?
Mm.
You charge it automatically. It doesn't need any batteries. I think.
Oh, okay. It's charged, right? It's charged. Yes, it's charging. I saw like the cable.
Oh, here? These are one of the coolest things. Like coolest RC airplanes that they could ever have. So I'm gonna get the landing gear out.
Can I see?
Yes. Ah!
Oopsie daisy. I don't know. What it fell down?
What's this?
Okay. So say bye and
We'll figure this out.
yeah, and we see you soon. Bye.